We have a lot of patients come in, they're truly embarrassed about their smile. They're afraid to show us their smile, but ultimately, the first step, if you're fearful, is just to come in, have a consultation, and just meet us. Margaret's a great example of someone who's truly embarrassed when she came to our office. And the first step is to educate the patient on what we do and how it's different than what's available out there, so give them options. We don't like to put anyone in one box and do anything like an assembly line. We like to do things in a customized way, so they understand that what they're getting is developed for their smile and for their needs. With this smile in a day approach, patients can leave with teeth as quickly as possible in the least invasive way. And after we're done, you're going to leave with teeth, not a denture. You're going to leave with the teeth that you have a nice smile with.
It's a big weight lifted off my shoulders, and I'm very happy now. For anybody who has issues with their teeth, I know what they're going through, and I know the place you could be in, a very bad place. I thought it was hopeless. I thought that was it. I would never be able to have teeth like this without robbing a bank. There is hope out there.